Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best cat breeds for first-time owners. Watch until the end to know our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the following. American Shorthair Cat. The American Shorthair Cats are adaptable and good-natured, which are excellent features that make them great family companions. They're playful, like children, and have a 15 to 20 years lifespan. The breed is best suited for first-time cat owners because it does not demand a lot of attention and requires minimal grooming due to its short coat. Additionally, it is intelligent, highly trainable, and healthy due to fewer genetic health issues. Ragdoll. Ragdolls are good companions and love to be held and petted. Such is a good characteristic because first-time cat owners tend to be overly touchy with their cats. The cats are affectionate, gentle, and smart. A major characteristic that makes them excellent for first-time owners is their temperament, because they're not hostile and remain calm even when picked up or overly pet. Additionally, they speak through sweet and soft meows to let you know they're hungry and remind you to feed them. Siamese. The Siamese breed is among the most beautiful cat breed. The cats are loyal, intelligent, highly curious, loving, affectionate, and playful. They have a variety of colors including blue, lilac, chocolate, and seal. Apart from their beauty, the breed is excellent for first-time cat owners because it's adaptable to new environments and people. Additionally, these cats are vocal and prompt you to attend their needs. Maine Coon. Maine Coon breed is best suited for first-time cat owners due to its trainability. Some traits that make training them easy and fun is their intelligence, playful nature, and willingness to interact with humans. Additionally, the Maine Coon breed is healthy and has few genetic health issues, thus giving a first-time owner an easy time. They're affectionate and make it fun to interact with them. Which is the best one? Although all the cats above are excellent for first-time cat owners, the American Shorthair Cat breed is the best because it does not demand much attention and requires minimal grooming due to its short coat. Its trainability and health also explain why first-time owners should consider it. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next.